Is there a right strategy for coaches and online business? Let's set the record straight. Hi, I'm Vanessa Choi. I help online coaches and course creators to increase their visibility online. Are you feeling stuck trying to figure out the right strategy for your online coaching business? High tickets versus low tickets, free workshops versus paid workshops, pre-recorded and live? Let me tell you the truth. There is no right universal strategies. It's only a strategy that fits you and your business. And I'm gonna break it down for you. I've been doing marketing for more than 19 years. There are two things that's never changed, whether it was the old days or now the digital days, which are branding and no one size fit all marketing strategy. Your business model, your audience, your personal strength, your expertise will actually determine your market. One strategy that works for one coach, it doesn't mean that it will work for you and your business. A lot of the coaches actually get mixed up. Of course, you can follow the framework, but the strategy that works for another coach might not work for you. First, we're going to talk about low ticket versus high ticket, but put in the perspective because high ticket in one business doesn't mean the same for high ticket in another business. At the end of the day, again, it depends on your audience and your business model. But in general, we are talking low tickets. Usually we refer to $7 to $97. It works really well for the volume-based model. It is served more like an entry point to your ideal clients to taste of your workshop, to taste of your checklist or your teaching style. So this is more like an entry level for your ideal clients that are interested in what you offer, or maybe later on signing up to your high ticket. And with the high ticket, usually we refer to high ticket as anything that more than $1,000. It actually lets you to work with fewer clients, so you can actually focus on their transformation individually. So you give more focus, you give more time to your high ticket clients. Now, second, we talk about free workshop versus paid workshops. So when I say workshops, I actually refer to mini courses or masterminds. Okay, so they all in general, I just call them workshops. So for the free workshops, usually it's for you to list building. For example, if you want to attract new audiences into your circle, you want to give a free masterclass or workshop so that people know about your teaching style. They more like a taster for people to know whether this is something that they want. And then once you build the trust, then you can move into the pay offer. So usually with a pay offer, it's more like a validated offer. So you know your audience really need that. And when you launch it, you know that people will want and will want to sign up. So that's the difference between a free and pay offer. But of course, there's no like a definite line saying that this has to be a free workshop and this has to be a paid workshop. Again, it really depends on your audience and how confident about your offer. So if you know that your offer is actually in a high demand, you can definitely do like a pay workshop. And of course, you also want to get a bit of money for the time that you invest. So that's no right or wrong answer in terms of free and pay workshop. But usually we say with a free workshop, it's more like for list building. It's nurturing your audience. So gain the trust and support from them first, and then you move to the paid workshop. Now the third one, pre-recorded or live workshop. So as you can tell from the name, pre-recorded, meaning that you pre-record the videos. So it's all about scalability. And also for some introvert coach, they do not want to do live and they're not feeling comfortable in doing live workshop. That's a very good alternative. You can always pre-record your video so that if you want, you can edit out the unnecessary those filler words. Or if you make a mistake, don't panic. At the end of the day, you can still edit it out. So a lot of coaches, when they first started, they prefer the pre-recorded video. There's nothing wrong with it. It's scalable. Also, you can actually sell whatever you want to sell the pre-recorded workshop because they're there. You created it. So you can resell whenever you want. Whereas the live workshop, you have to deliver live. So, but then it's actually increase the engagement. You build a rapport with your audience. So it's always like a pros and cons for each of the method. But then people now is actually more pro the hybrid mode, meaning that mix of pre-recorded and also the live. How it works is sometimes people pre-record some of the training modules, and then the live workshop, it's more like the support. So once people finish the pre-recorded video, if they have any questions, they can jump on live that cohort session and then they can ask the questions, or vice versa. So coaches will do the live workshop first and explain what each of the module it's about, what they should be expected from the pre-recorded video. And then after that, people can go back into the individual module. So it really depends. It doesn't really matter which one go first, which one go after. So again, depends on your business model and also your personality as well. If you're not a live person, don't push yourself to do live because you will not feel comfortable. Start with pre-recorded first. But of course, if you can do live, that is really good because you actually get the feedback straight away and you also build the engagement and the rapport. So it's really different, the vibe. So if you've done both, you will know what I'm talking about. Now, the last but not the least, we will talk about done for you, done it with you, or DIY. So as done for you, meaning that you actually do the work for your clients. So this is more for high ticket clients. Unfortunately, it's very difficult to scale because like how much time you have, it really depends on what is the done for you service. Like for me, if I'm offer done for you service for website or for landing pages, sales pages, I cannot take a lot of clients a month. So usually with the high ticket clients, if I'm doing done for you, I usually maximum will take only 5 clients. I can't take more than that. It's not scalable. So done with you, we usually refer to coaching program, mentorship program, or group coaching. So this is more like when you do something, your audience will copy you and do it with you and implement. The good thing is they know it's doable because they just follow your step. But unfortunately, one thing is there's no control about whether they can finish the work or not. It is better than DIY, but at the end of the day, if they don't finish the work, you can't really force them to. So it's really good to find a way to increase their accountability. And when they can finish the work, they can be a very good testimonial for you. So try and ask them to finish the work. So you want to break it down into bite size instead of overwhelming your audience because they do not want more work. So try to actually do it with them. Give them the simplest way to implement and always encourage them. So DIY will be do it yourself. So we usually get do it yourself with the template, with the checklist, with everything that created for the customer. Usually a self-paced course or workshop masterclass. The good thing is it's scalable. You can sell to as many people as you want. But the thing is, again, it's very hard to get them finished. They might get started about 10 to 20%, but a lot of them, majority of them never finish. I don't know about you, but if you really want to focus on DIY model, what you can do is increase the accountability and also try to gamify, put some gamification in. So when people achieve certain module, maybe they can unlock something else, increase the chances for them to finish the course. So now you might ask, Vanessa, so what is the right strategy? How do I choose the right strategy? Remember what I said at the beginning? There's no right or wrong strategy. That's only the right strategy to fit you and your business. So there are a couple of things you need to focus. The first one, understand your audience. So you have to know your audience. What do they like? How do they prefer to consume? Do they prefer live workshop or do they prefer pre-recorded? And what is their buying power? Do they prefer low ticket or high ticket? Or what sort of customer they are? So you have to know them well in order to decide what is the right strategy for you and your business. Second one, it also depends on your strength and your preference. So sometimes it's not about the audience, it's also about you as a coach, how you prefer to deliver the course. Like I said before, if you're completely against the live element, then it is actually out of the equation. Okay, so you might need to find somebody like your audience that prefer pre-recorded video. But again, if you can't do live video, you might still want to, let's say, alternatively set up a group for people to engage there. Then you can engage whether with a pre-recorded video or with text. Okay, so that's always another way to work around. So don't think that if you can't do live, it's not going to be successful. I have clients that they never do live, but they have a very, very successful business. So again, know your audience and find the right audience. If this is what you prefer, also make you feel more comfortable. You've got more confidence when you deliver your course. And it relates to the third one about the scalability or also the lifestyle. So do you prefer passive income or do you prefer work one-on-one? Again, it really depends on your preference. Just do something that's comfortable and then it will increase your confidence. Fourth, test and adapt. So don't just stuck with only one method or just one format. Try different things. You don't know until you tried it. You might scare off live. You might do really bad in the first or second live, but then you're getting better the third one, the fourth one. Okay. So it's all about practice. Again, if you try different things and you pick up that you do not want to do live, that's fine. Then now you've tested everything and test your ability. You know what you're capable of. Then just focus on what you're comfortable with. So my final thoughts to share with you. Again, there's no right or wrong strategy. It's only a strategy that's fit you and your business. Make sure you understand and you know your energy, your skill, your ability, then you deliver what you prefer. What is your current business model? Share with me in the comment below. Are you doing low ticket, high ticket, or you prefer doing high tickets only? Are you doing pay workshop or free workshop? Are you offering done for you service or do it with you? Share with me in the comment below. I would love to know. And I also have a little cheat sheet for you down in the comment below. So download the cheat sheet. It's got a summarize of what I talk about today. And I'll see you in the next one.